Hello friends, welcome back again. In this video, I will explain you how we can use the on delay timing instruction in INVT PLC. Let's get started. First of all, we will open our AutoStation software and here we will create the new project. Click it on the new project and here you have to be given the program name. An example, we give the name TON. And next you have to be choose your location where you like to be save your program and click it on these three dots. After you will be find where all the folders and your hard disks where you like to be store. You can click I need this local disk D, so click OK. And next you have to be choose your PLC model number. This is IVC1. I have model which I am using IVC1L. So I will click this and which language you like to be create the program in the instruction list or SFC. I am creating in the ladder chart, so I will choose this ladder chart and click OK. And next we have to be choose one open contact of our PLC X0 an example. And next we will take the timer in the program control instruction. Click it on this icon and this first command you can see TON on delay timing instruction. You can drag and drop this function in ladder chart and after you have to be give the address which is the timer number and which is the time value and which you like to type in binary number, octal number, decimal number, hexadecimal, which like you be type, you can type it here. I will type in the decimal number and I will click on the decimal number. How much value we like to store? For an example, we need the 5 seconds, so we type 50 in the constant value and click OK. And in the next row we will take the open contact of the timer T0 because of we choosing the T0 and click it OK. And next we will take one output, an example physical output Y0. If you like to turn on or if you like to another, you can click it up and down. You can choose the number and then directly also you can type the number of your PLC. So click it OK. I choose this Wi-Fi, it's okay, no problem, and download the program into the PLC. Our PLC is now in stop mode. I will make the power on and again we will be click it on the download. Click OK and again click on download. So program will be start downloading and click yes, and next you have to be monitor the program. As this line will be blue color changed, you think your program is now online monitoring. So now it's very simple. I will give the signal at my X0 and after you can see our timer is now running. As this time will be completed 5 seconds, your output will be on. And as I release the signal, after this output will be off. Again I will give the signal at X0. You can see this is now timer is running, and as this time will be completed 50 seconds, 5 seconds, your output will be on. And if you like to, for example, this set table time here, now if I like to be write, this cannot write the value. You can see here is T0. I cannot change the value. For example, I will type to 100. So click OK if this is not changeable. How we can do this one? In the running program, stop the monitoring and again you have to be double click it on this command and where you type the 50, here you have to type the D50 for example, and click enter. Again you have to be download the program into the PLC, and after you will be see, click yes, and now make the monitor. And now you can see here is also 0, and here is the at the D50 also 0. If you press this one X0, your output will be immediately on without timing. So we have to be give the value it here at the D50. So go to the right, and here is where is your D50 data registers. Here you have to be type for example 100 and click OK, and this value will be ready at the D50. Now if we give the signal at X0, as this value will be 10 seconds completed, means 100 value, your output will be on. 80, 90 and 100, right? So as I release the signal, your output will be on. So this way you can use the on delay timer instruction. If not understand anything, you can send me the message in comment section. I will give you feedback as soon as possible. So thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.